Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use a checkbox and counting. For inserting a checkbox and creating a table like this, we have to first activate the developer option here. Select any one the option in the ribbon and click and go to custom ribbon and search for the developer option. If it is there, move it to here. Already I have moved here and just check it. You can see a developer option is activated. Now from developer, you can go to here, click this. You can see the cursor symbology changed. I've just placed here, so I will get a checkbox. If I want to remove this text or right click and edit text, will also give you an option to remove this particular text. First thing, as you can do check and uncheck, nothing happening. But in this table you can see if I check and uncheck, a false and true is coming. So this can be achieved by right click, go to format cell, and in the control tab you will find a cell link option. So if I select this cell, it will populate here and it get linked. So if a checkbox is checked, it is true. If unchecked, it is false. So also you have to ensure that there is a boundary here. So try to limit it so that if I click anywhere, suppose this is so much big has kept here, and I click anywhere else, it will create a problem. So try to bring it within the cell so that it can be easily placed. And here, as you can see, it is placed here. So if you check uncheck, it will create. So now I can see a list is created here for everybody so that it can give you a better idea. I want to count. So just use sum count if the range is true, it will give, and just drag it down. And if you want to check and check, you can see that it is dynamic. It is, but one thing is that in few cases I don't want to display this text here and just populate the count. So what you can do, just select this, right click, uh, just select this and right click, go to format text, format cell, go to custom and just put 3 semicolons here. So you can see nothing is there. You can easily make it sorted. Now as you can see, it can be easily done. Thanks for viewing.